I want to introduce you to my hub. For me, this is the greatest thing that's ever happened to barbecues because it looks beautiful, but the big thing is this. This little button is actually a fast flame ignition system. Charcoal just goes on this perforated plate here. You then just press the ignition. There's no fire lighters, there's no lighting fuel. The coal is ready in 10 minutes. First time I used it, I still couldn't believe just doing that would light a charcoal barbecue. It works. I mean, it's incredible. You just press a button and that's it. And within 10 minutes, you can cook on it. It generates an incredible amount of heat, and it's always good from the barbecue to have too much heat rather than not enough. To have the bars so you can lift them up with the handle which doesn't burn. You can just push your coals to one side. You can create 3, 4, 5 series of different cooking areas, combining the ease of a gas barbecue, but all the benefits of cooking over charcoal and the fun of being able to make little tweaks all over the place. But if you want to do a real centrepiece, this is the real spirit of the stately homes and the kings and queens past. You've got this incredible sort of medieval yet state-of-the-art rotisserie. If a genie came out of a lamp and said, right, you've got one wish for a barbecue, what would it be? It would be this.